Hey, amazing teachers! Looking for a ridiculously easy way to get students thinking, speaking, and engaging all in under 5 minutes? Let's talk about quick debate circles. You ask a yes no question based on a reading, and students take sides, defend their stance, and listen to their peers. No prep, no stress, and the best part, every student participates. For example, after reading a short text about technology in schools, ask, should students be allowed to use phones in class? Have one side argue yes, the other side argue no, and let the magic happen. Here's how to make it even more effective. Give students 30 seconds to jot down a reason for their stance before they start debating. This quick reflection boosts confidence and ensures even or quieter students are ready to contribute. Then throw in a challenge. After the first round, have them switch sides and argue the opposite viewpoint. This forces them to think critically and consider multiple perspectives. Suddenly, they're not just memorizing, they're engaging with language in a meaningful way. Try this in your next class and watch engagement skyrocket. And if you want to assess how well you're integrating CI strategies into your teaching, take our CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz. It's quick, insightful, and gives a clear picture of where you stand on the path of teaching with comprehension-based methods.